Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So, today the market was red, but I want to talk about some of the stocks that I think are basically easy money, safe plays to get into. Also, I'm gonna put in some cryptos and maybe some ETFs, stuff like that. Something that I have in like one of my other accounts that I don't show on the channel, but I do have it in my other accounts. Some of the stuff that I think are pretty much easy money, long term plays that I would just put like every week, buy in a couple, put in some of the money that you make from your check into this. So maybe put it in $100 and put $10, $20 into each of these stocks and cryptos and ETFs. The first one here that I have is Amazon. I think Amazon is basically easy money. And the lower that it goes, the more I would put in. Like when I saw it down in the hundreds, I was like, sheesh, I need to get some money and just put it into Amazon. But since then, if you bought in 100, you're already up 27% in this kind of market, right? Like, and this stock being down so much, I believe. Let's see how high the 52-week. It was almost a $200 stock. So, I mean, I know Amazon's gonna keep on growing, and I think this is basically free money right here. I think Bitcoin, crypto, is the biggest one out there. I think everyone knows, almost everyone knows Bitcoin. If you ask people what Bitcoin is, they pretty much have heard, at least have heard about it. I think as an investor, even if you are not someone that likes to take a lot of risk, I would probably put in like anywhere from like at least a couple percentages of your portfolio into it. Anywhere from like 2 to 10% should be in any kind of crypto. I would put in maybe like more into Ethereum than Bitcoin, just because I think Ethereum has a higher potential, higher upside than Bitcoin. But I would still put in some Bitcoin into the portfolio. The next one we have here is ETF, Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. This one is just something that you can just buy and then leave it alone. Put some money in every week or every month, once a week or once per month, whatever, however much money you have. I'll put some money into this S&P 500 ETF, and if you look over here, you can see all the information that you need. It's it has everything that you need, all different types of diversification, and it has a low expense ratio, which is pretty cool. There you go, Ethereum, and you guys know why. I think Ethereum is going to go up huge. I know for a fact it will break its all-time high eventually in the next 2-3 years. We can see 5,000 and maybe more than that. So I think in 5 years, if it doesn't hit a 52-week high, I don't know what to tell you. Like, it's at least a 3x in the next 5 years, which is amazing return. Same thing, I'll probably put like 5% into it. QQQ, another one of these indexes, ETF type of things. You see all what sectors is funds composed of. High in technology. Technology is always growing faster than most everything else. This is a little more riskier than the S&P 500 one, but you're getting more growth. It has also a higher expense ratio, but that's what you pay for the growth. And look at this. This one has 100% growth in the past 5 years compared. Let's look at that compared to Vanguard, the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. This one has 60%. So you see the growth is there, right? The growth is there. Next one we have is, of course, Microsoft. I think Microsoft is just one of those stocks that it is only down. It's not down that much compared to everything else. Only down about 25% compared to almost everything else. Just about how the market is. But look at the growth in the past 5 years compared to the other ETFs. 250%. Obviously, it probably won't grow as much, but still, it will probably outperform the S&P 500. Next one, Nvidia stock. This one has been hit quite a bit. I would slowly buy into this one as well. This one's a little more riskier. I think this might continue to go down more and more, but I think the growth in this one's higher than almost everything else. And but just for the remember for the right price, you can buy any stock for the right price. Tesla, come on, Tesla is also one of those companies that are growing at such a high clip that it's going to continue to grow and outperform the market, though it's kind of expensive. I still believe Tesla could go back to all-time highs to the 400. So that's like 150, a little less than $150 price increase from here. So I would buy this and hold for the next 5 to 10 years. This is a good stock to hold for the long term. Tesla still has that high growth with it. So another one, Meta. Meta's been hit the hardest out of the big tech. Look at this. In the past year, it's down 57% already. That's kind of freaking crazy. And let's actually see. I think the highest it's been, was it at $400? Oh no, 383. It went from 383 to 160, and it's still going down more. Like, that's crazy. And like I said, Meta probably has the most influence, lots of power. Look at the PE, 13 PE. This could easily be $1 trillion stock whenever everything comes back, easily. So you can double your money. This is basically free money if you're investing into it right now. Last one, and probably the most riskier plays, is Shopify. I believe Shopify will be huge. I think this company has the potential to at least 10x. Like, it could 10x even more than that from where it is right now. And if it 10x, is still going to be under a $400 billion market cap. But even if it doesn't, if it just gets back to where it was before, it's going to be dang near a 6x return from here. Like, come on. Put some money in to one of these plays, Shopify. I'll have a little bit of risk. I put these ones because I'm a little bit younger, so I have a longer time horizon. But I think these ones, these 10 right here, are beautiful long-term holds. Hold for 5 to 10 years and watch your money. I think you can at least 3x to 4x your money in the next 10 years, if not more than that, just by holding these ones. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Keep getting your money up. I know it's hard in the market, but we gotta stick to the plan. All right, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.